The future of underwater exploration is here. Introducing the Dive Large Displacement (DLD) Unmanned Underwater Vehicle. The DLD UUV is the most advanced underwater vehicle of its kind. Its unique design allows it to move through the water with ease, allowing it to explore deeper and further than ever before. The DLD UUV is equipped with a variety of sensors and cameras, allowing it to capture images and data from the depths of the ocean. It is also capable of staying submerged for extended periods of time, making it ideal for long-term exploration missions. The DLD UUV is capable of reaching depths of up to 1,000 meters, making it the perfect tool for deep-sea research and exploration. Its advanced technology and design make it the perfect vehicle for unlocking the mysteries of the ocean. The DLD UUV is revolutionizing underwater exploration. Unlock the mysteries of the deep sea with the DLD UUV.